Here is a small tutorial on how the Hotpoint dishwasher works. Over on your left hand side you will find the on button. When it comes on you will hear the beeping and the face will light up. Over on your left hand side are your cycles. To change the cycle you simply touch and it will change the cycle. Over on your right hand side is your start and stop button. Over here are your timers. To open your dishwasher you simply pull. On the inside you will find the small compartment where you would put your washing tab. To open this you simply push the blue button on the left hand side. You would then put your tablet in. To close this you would come to the rear, press it back in, it simply clicks back in very gently. To shut the dishwasher you simply push shut. To turn off the dishwasher you would come back to the on button, simply press that, and that is how you use the dishwasher. Thank you.